Hey fams, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here, and welcome to another fall throwback video. I hope that you guys are enjoying these videos and finding some type of inspiration. Don't forget that these are just throwbacks and the new fall videos will be out starting in September. So thank you guys so much for watching.
Just where it was needed, gleaming black as night, cloistered in injustice, dead in the eye of time. Nobody is losing, faces merge and change, but your face remains the same.
Hey fams, welcome back to All Things Shushana. Oh my gosh, I am so happy to be talking to you guys right now and making this video for you guys. It has been a crazy 2.5 weeks, you guys, but I am going to get into that in another video. But I am just so grateful to be here, and I just love y'all so much. Thank everyone for all your prayers and checking in on me and my family after all this craziness that we've been through. It has been so crazy. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go to my community tab and check back 2 weeks, and you'll know what I'm talking about. We all got sick with what's been going on lately, and thank God we are doing so much better. But I don't want to make the video about that, but I just want to thank you guys so much for praying for us and checking in on us all the time. So today, y'all, I am giving you a fall video, a decorate with me. So we are in my foyer, and I am going to be decorating my fall tree. But this year, I didn't want to do my regular, 8-foot fall tree that I normally do. I wanted to do something different, and I decided to use this tree that I picked up from Walmart last year on clearance. It's a 6-foot non-lit tree, and I just added the lights to it and everything, and y'all, it just looked so amazing, and I just love it so much. So I hope that you guys will enjoy this video, and if this is your first time joining me here on my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Shushana, and on my channel I do lots of home decor, seasonal decor, crafting, DIY woodworking, and some cleaning motivation. So if that's something that you are interested in, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and definitely double tap that bell so that you receive all my notifications, because I do have a lot of fall content that is coming up. So yeah, thank you guys so much for sticking it out with me and for waiting patiently, and let's go ahead and get into this fall video.
When we're finally sober, they'll be gone. The trees will bloom and ice will melt. We'll always remember how it felt.
So like I discussed before in a previous video, my fall theme or color this year is a little bit more toned down and earth tones, still within like the traditional colors, I guess, but not so much in your face with the bright oranges and, like the colors that I had last year, which was great. I enjoyed them, but I kind of just wanted to tone everything down this year and just make it more earth tones and more warmth. And so I love the way that this tree has turned out, you guys. And I'm using a lot of my older decor that I had from previous years, and I also purchased a few things and incorporate it together. So I am just loving the way that this tree has turned out. Definitely let me know down in the comment section if you guys are loving it too.
Just what it was needed.
So now I am just adding on these brown baubles to the tree because I wanted to give it like that glittery, shimmery vibe. And y'all, this tree is probably one of my favorite trees, and I probably said that last year, but I love the toned down traditional colors of the tree, but at the same time it's like it's neutral in a way. I don't know how to really explain it, but I told you guys that I was going to have a surprise color this year, and it is the mustard yellow, hence the mustard yellow shirt that I have on. But it's the mustard yellow, and I kind of wanted to bring that type of vibe into the house because it just, with all of the lighter walls and the neutral furniture, I feel like that mustard yellow just pops against all the white walls and everything. And so I just love the way that it is looking. I love the way that the tree turned out, and I cannot wait for you guys to see the end product. Now, I am going to be giving you guys a full tour of the house, but I'm just kind of showing you guys room by room, step by step as to what I'm doing in terms of decorating it. So just wanted you guys to know that in advance.
When we find this over, they'll be gone. The trees will bloom and ice will melt. We'll always remember how it felt.
So now I'm just adding the peonies to this basket that I got from TJ Maxx. And if you notice, I did put a planter in there so that it will kind of make the floral seem like it's a whole lot more, but it sort of holds it in a lot tighter because I didn't want it to kind of just, be flopping around. But I'm just adding some greenery to it to kind of tone it down a little bit. But I loved this setup, you guys. Oh my gosh, I just love the way that this thing turned out. And I have the harvest sign there, and I actually at the end I took it out because I thought it was probably just way too much. I didn't want it to be overwhelming because it was just a lot with the florals and the trees and the pumpkins. And so I just love the way that it turned out. This is like, I love it so much.
Give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough.
So now we're on to my second little console table, and I'm just taking all my summer decor off of there, and everything else I'm pretty much going to keep the same, and I'm just going to add some fall touches, some pumpkins, some florals, and kind of spice it up a little bit with some fall decor.
As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you.
So these are some dried florals, you guys, and I love using dried florals in my decor because they last forever and they smell amazing. I got those from TJ Maxx and they were $9.99, which was like, what? No, I'm sorry, they were $16.99. And it was so full. I was really impressed at the quality of these dried florals because I was trying to get some from Walmart, but they just did not have what I was looking for, and I was so excited to find these at TJ Maxx. I also got those pumpkins from TJ Maxx, and those were $9.99 a bag, so I picked up 2 bags. And so I love the way that this turned out. It's like earthy, it's just warm, it's inviting, and it's literally setting the tone for the rest of my home. So I am so excited about the direction of where this is going.
All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love.
You got me tripping. Ever since I saw you, I went slipping. Didn't even know you. Couldn't even breathe without you.
So now I am on to my little bench area, and as you can see, I have my broom there and everything because I'm decorating, but at the same time I'm cleaning my house and disinfecting it and getting all those germs and everything out. So I'm kind of multitasking here, but I also wanted to show you guys, I'm going to show you an up close, but I did do some prints from Google, and this pillow, oh my gosh, I got it from TJ Maxx. It's absolutely incredible. But I went ahead and I printed off some fall prints off of Google, and it was completely free, and I just put them into my frame and just added that fall touch that I was looking for, and it just cozies up the space so much. So it's just something, a little tip that you guys can do if you're looking for some, wall art.
It's how I'm feeling. All I ever wanted, you. I'm digging. How you got me.
So this is the way that this little area turned out, you guys, and I just love all the colors, the muted tones, the earth tones. I am just really loving it this year, and I'm falling in love with fall. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you are excited for fall, and also don't forget to subscribe if this is your first time here. I want to thank all of my oldie but goodie subscribers. Y'all know I love y'all so much. I appreciate all the love and your kindness and just, oh my gosh, just everything. So thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next fall Decorate with Me. Have a fantabulous day.
Yeah.